Hi, I would like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the Derby backpack in Pebble leather. The color here is black. It does come with the gold color hardware. As you could see, it does come with the gold color metal hand tag. It does come with the printed Coach logo here. If you're looking for a nice, cute, small backpack, this is definitely it. And let's take a look at the side. And it does come with this straps here that you could adjust accordingly. Let's see, let's take a look on the inside, shall we? On this backpack, it does come with the magnetic clips. And then just open it up. Now, one thing really interesting about this backpack is on the inside, it's actually a leather. Normally, most of Coach bag comes with a linen lining, but not on this one here. This here inside is all leather, and on it does come with just one slip pockets. The only linen lining that is just this pocket here, as you could see, the different material right here. So let's compare this to the size of the water bottle right here. The dimension of this bag is 7 3/4 inches in length. It's about 8 inches in height and about 4 3/4 inches in width. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.